welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Renewal process of mining leases begins. 120 mining leases to be renewed in the first phase to fetch around 800 crores to stamp duty, filed with CM for approval. Crime branch exposes fake certificate racket in Madgaon, arrests 3 persons. Madgaon-based SJ Career Academy used to supply fake certificates of number of degrees. Glenn Ticklow's disqualification plea sent to Central Election Commission by the Governor with Assembly session just 2 days away. Winter session to be high-tech and paperless. Equipments and gadgets already installed. Muslim Brotherhood celebrates Milad-un-Nabi, recites Lord's teaching of love, joy and peace. And top-born football playing schools to battle it out for Mahindra Youth Football Challenge Goa Champions title. Matches at Kepe and Kuitila from Monday. And now the news in detail. Goa government has started renewal of mining leases. Government will get nearly 800 crores as royalty. Advocate General has given his nod to the renewal process. Mines and Geology Department sent file to Chief Minister for the final approval. As a first step, department has already renewed 1 lease. The decision of mining lease renewal was sent to Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni for legal consent. 2 days back, Advocate General cleared the file and allowed the department to renew a lease. The process of lease renewal will begin from Monday. Department will renew nearly 120 mine leases. Government anticipating nearly 800 crores of renew in a form of stamp duty. Government introduced Indian Stamp Bill 2012, which will allow the government to levy a stamp duty of 15% on the amount of royalty on a mining lease renewal. Despite mining ban in the state, Mines and Geology Department has collected nearly 450 crores revenue, which was earlier 900 crores. Meanwhile, Mines and Geology Department conducted raid at Amona River on Friday. Department attached 1 canoe for allegedly extracting sand illegally. Ironically, Mines Department failed to arrest any person as they fled away from the scene. This is the second raid in a week after Akhada at Narve. Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Omkar Falari. Crime branch has busted a fake certificate racket and has arrested 3 accused. The racket was running from Madgaon-based SJ Career Academy. They used to supply fake certificates of number of degrees at a cost of 40,000 and above.
Crime branch has arrested Azim Beg, Wasim Beg and Sabina for running a fake certificate racket. They were running this racket from their Madgaon-based SJ Career Academy. They used to supply fake certificates of graduation, SSC pass and other educational documents by taking money from interested persons. Accused were supplying class 12 passing certificate at a cost of 40,000 and graduation passing certificates of the recognized universities for 80,000 rupees. Police approached them posing as customer and they supplied a SSC passing certificate of Madhya Pradesh Board of Secondary Education. Police have seized many fake certificates during the raid. In initial investigation, it has come up that they also used to supply fake certificates of professional courses, including LLB. They were providing these fake certificates as using names of many noted universities of country. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The winter session of State Legislative Assembly will be eco-friendly, that is paperless and high-tech on experimental basis. Speaker Rajendra Alekar informed this to the media. The desks of the MLA in the Assembly are set with latest gadgets. MLAs can now use laptops during the proceedings. Meanwhile, the Governor has referred disqualification plea against Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow to the Central Election Commission.
पहिल्या दिसा माननीय राज्यपालांचे अभिभाषण जातकत ह्या अधिवेशनाची सुरुवात जातली. मागीर 29, 30, 31 आणि 1 फेब्रुवारी अशे उरिल्ले 4 दीस सगळें कामकाज चलतलें. आमची गोंयची विधानसभा ही एक पावल मारून फुडें गेल्ली आसा. विधानसभे कडेन जे आमदारां कडल्यान प्रश्न जे आयले ते प्रश्न परत डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन जे वचपाचे आशिल्ले ते आमी सगळे ऑनलायन प्रश्न धाडले आनी त्या प्रश्नांची रिप्लायज उत्तरां जी आसात ती आमकां आतां ऑनलायन येवपाक लागली. तातूंत काय अजून आतां हें करता आसतना आमकां कितें अडचणी येतात ते आमी पळयतले आनी ताचो एक अंदाज घेवन मागीर फुडली विधानसभा जी आसतली अर्थसंकल्पीय अधिवेशन बजेट सेशन तातूंत आमी हाजो प्रयोग करून पळयतले. आमी आमदार जे आसात तांकां आत्तां कागदांतल्यानच उत्तरां दितले. असेंब्ली हॉल जो आसा हाय डेफिनेशन HDDची आमी थंयसर रेजोल्युशन दिणारे अशे इक्विपमेंट्स वापरलेले आसात. क्वेश्चन जो ज्या वेळार एखादो आमदार विचारतलो विधानसभेन तो विचारतकच तो क्वेश्चन थंय रोखडोच आमच्या विधानसभेत भितर डिस्प्ले जातलो. क्वेश्चन विचारल्या बरोबर स्क्रीन आसा ताजेर स्क्रिनाचेर आनी ताजे आन्सर ज्या वेळार मंत्री ज्या वेळार आन्सर दितलो उत्तर दितलो तो सांगतलो की उत्तर जशें सायक्लोस्टायल किंवा टायप छापून दिल्लें आसा त्या बरोबर ताजें तें उत्तर थंय डिस्प्ले जातलें. ते सप्लिमेंटरीज आसात त्या सप्लिमेंटरीच्या दरम्यान जें डिस्कशन आसतलें that discussion will be as early as possible will be put on our website. आमी थंय ताका लॅपटॉप दवरपा खातीर म्हणून ताका ऑलरेडी कनेक्टिविटी दवरलेली आसा थंय. वी हॅव गिवन डायरेक्ट केबल कनेक्टिविटी एज वेल एज वायफाय कनेक्टिविटी. वी हॅव नॉट trained our MLAs as yet. That is the reason why we are not going 100% paperless this time. Otherwise, we are infrastructurally, we are ready for that.
Meanwhile, the disqualification plea against Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow has been referred to the Central Election Commission by the governor. Governor Bharat Virvanshu informed this in reply to media's question. Disqualification plea was filed against MLA Glenn Ticklow, charging him to be a Portuguese citizen. Our senior reporter from Parwari, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.